Hey, it's MK and I am back with another What Goes With It on Wednesday. So if you guys remember, I had this pre-made background and then I went ahead and I made this overlay so that way it matched a sketch that I used from last Monday, which is this one. I'm still going to be continuing to use that sketch, and I already printed out a couple photos, and I think I'm only going to use 3 of these photos instead of 4, but that is what I printed out. And then also I pulled out these little guys right here because Friday is Iron Crafter and I need to bring in some rub-on. So this is another thing that I brought in for that specifically. Now I'm going to go through my water category again to see what I can go with the rest of this. Now, if I remember from Monday, there was a little bit of mixed media, a little bit of paper going this way, and then the pictures, and that's pretty much it. So I am going to figure out what I can do. First thing, I think I'm going to bring in some cheesecloth to either tuck in here and bring it out, or run it across my little area going on here. I'm not really sure just yet. I know I want to do some cheesecloth. I also think I might use these instead of bringing in any more paper, so that way I can bring this in. I was going to see about bringing in, ooh, I've got these rub-ons too that I could have brought in. Yeah, they're not even open. Oh yes, they are. I had 2. Okay, nope, I'm not bringing those in. I really want to bring in some other colors because that is what I've been struggling with. To bring in some colors. I don't think I'm going to bring in any papers, so I'm just going to keep looking at my embellishments and see what I have for embellishments. Pulling this out, going on here, I've got the By the Sea, and that would be a great title if I wanted to do By the Sea, because I am by the sea. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. I also have, like, I could bring in some gold. So I've got this right here. It says Ocean Lover, Out to Sea. Oh, that's it. So I've got that I could bring in as well. I've got some more rub-ons that I can take a look at and see if I wanted to bring in any other color for the rub-ons. Like this would be kind of cool. Living life in flip-flops. I'm not in flip-flops. I'm actually in water shoes. But, you know, tomato type of thing. So I could do that, but I think I'm pretty happy with the rub-ons that I picked out. I've also got this one here. You Are Pure Magic. A Day at the Shore Restores the Soul. So that would be kind of cute, but I feel like it's big. I really would rather have my pictures be the biggest thing than, and I wish this said Beach Bum, because that would have been super cute to do that. So I'm not going to use that. Let me see what I have here. Got some scraps, but I don't know if I want to do this monochromatic, because I really am bringing in some different colors here, to be honest. So I don't know if I want this one either. I've got this one, Anchors Away, Ahoy, La 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 La. Oh, I like Seaside, You Are My Ocean. That kind of is if I'm doing a layout about somebody else. So I might bring this in for this and maybe some hearts. I got to embrace the hearts eventually. Here's some acetate. Again, all the wrong colors. So I'm not going to do that. I do have this alpha. If I want to mix and match, like this one, By the Sea, I could do the word standing by the sea. I could just change it all together and do Feet in the Ocean and do something like that. I don't know. I've got more rub-ons, but they're a little bit dingier. Well, actually, no, they match pretty well with these ones over here. I'm thinking no. I really want to stick with one set of rub-ons. I've got these guys that I keep forgetting about. I'm sorry if you hear some crunching. That's my puppy playing with his bottle. Again, it's going... I think I'm going to bring this in. I don't think I'm going to bring these in. I have... Everything I own is red and blue for ocean. Isn't that weird? Let me see. Oh, look at this. Got this one here. Probably because I've already used all the teals. And that's all I have left. Oh, I've got tiny words, so I could definitely stick with the tiny words. This could allow me to bring in and still keep that, bring in some other colors and still keep that teal. A Day at the Sea, I really like that. Beach Day. But if I constantly keep bringing in the teals and only using teal, then it's going to be a very monochromatic. So I really need to think about bringing in some other colors. I like beachy. So yes, I'm going to put this in here as well. So I've got those going on. I feel like I'm pretty good at, or pretty good on embellishments, really. I feel like I could make this work. This is kind of cool, but I think it's going to be too big. It says life is better at the beach. So I just said I was good, and then here I am still looking. That's how that works. Let me see what I have here. Sea Breeze. Oh, I like By the Water. I'm going to grab that really quickly, because it's pretty neutral. So By the Water. And then let me look and see what else. Another really good thing about doing it this way is you're constantly touching your stuff and looking and being aware of what you have. So I really like that. I'm going to look and see if there is, or do I have enough? I don't know, but I really liked, that says beach. Let me look, because I was looking at this one that says it's a shore thing. And so I really like that, because putting my feet in the sand like that is kind of a shore thing, but I feel like I've already used it. Yes, I did. Okay, so I feel like I've already used it, so that's okay. I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to put all this away. I'm happy with what I have. I'm going to use with what I have and stop looking. Stop it. Okay, so there I go. That's it. All right, so this is what I am going to do. I've got my cheese cloth. I have some of my film strips, which I thought could be work as my paper. I have my pictures. I've got some chipboard from the Simple Vintage Seas Simple Stories. I also have the foam stickers from Simple Vintage Seas. I've got the Summer Stories by 49 and Market rub-on sheet, as well as some 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Travel Beached rub-ons as well. They are just random in there. This is from Cocoa Daisy, some little puffy stickers. And then the sticker book from the Simple Vintage Seas. And then I have By the Water, which was a pear tree acrylic piece. So I've got that. And then don't forget to come back on Friday and see what I can do with what I've got. So what went with it, what goes with it, and then come back on Friday to see if I can figure it out. Thanks, you guys. Bye.